So we haven't done an update on the car for a minute, so I thought I'd go ahead and just show you a couple little things. We did clean up under the hood a little bit with some of the wiring, some clips and things like that. Andy worked on that. We even did the transmission lines, clipped them all down real nice. But we did this as well. This is kind of new for anybody watching just the videos. This is the original California style air cleaner for this car, 65. It's California emissions too. It's got this tube that comes down here to the oil cap on the valve cover. That was a California only thing. I couldn't fit it on the car because this MSD distributor is set up too tall. What I did was I put carb spacer in. Actually, Andy did it. So if I take this off, I'm going to show you what it all looks like. What's cool now is at a glance when you look under the hood, this looks all original. Of course, I went ahead and did the K&N air filter. I mean, why not, right? I'll pull this off if I can from this angle. There we go. It's got the snorkel and the whole bit. There's the carburetor, and below that, there's a plastic 1-inch spacer. So what that does is raises the carb up a little bit, which raises the air cleaner up a little bit, which makes this distributor clearance work. Also, we went ahead and put in some metal fuel line. It's just brake line. But we had all rubber all the way down to the filter. Now we have this. Now, something else Andy did, which was long overdue, is he finally put a choke cable on here. So now I can actually use the manual choke. Don't have to just sit on the gas. It does help a lot with the cold starts. Now, something else that we did, I started it, Andy finished it because I screwed it up, was we added this rally pack. I know the glare's on it right now, but this is a 65 Mustang rally pack. It actually wires up like the originals did in 1965, which is not a great thing. I didn't realize that. They make aftermarket rally packs that wire up through the negative ground on the coil, but the way this is wired up originally, it's all under the dash, and the power wires in series with the ignition. So if you lose the transformer on the rally pack, you lose ignition too. And that's fun. I was trying to save money, so I bought it on Amazon, but probably should have spent a couple extra bucks and gotten the one from Scott Drake. I just got back from a quick run up to Leon's here in Milwaukee, which was one of the places that inspired Arnold's from Happy Days. But I had to wait till night to show you this anyway, and it's something real basic, but I'm real excited about it. We got courtesy lights. There was a blown fuse. We were looking for a problem when we were working on the rally pack and noticed the fuse, popped it in, and we got a courtesy light. So I added the bulb on this side, and it looked pretty good. And while we were at it, we wired up the courtesy light on the console as well, and it looks pretty cool in the back seat. So yeah, I'm going to go to a couple car shows this week, a cruise night at a nursing home tomorrow, and then I'm going to go to a bigger one, kind of out where the car is capped out in Waukesha, about 200 cars. Going to give it a try on Wednesday, and then I'll go ahead and park the car for a while. But yeah, that's the progress. That's what we've done. And if you got any questions, answers, whatever, let me know in the comments section. Maybe I'll do more videos in this car tomorrow. So thanks for watching. See you next time.